Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you saw from my previous videos, I have banknotes from different countries and different years. Europe and Australia, Asia and America, from the beginning of 20th century and from the current period. Today I want to pick one random year and compare banknotes issued in this specific year. Let's open my app and pick one random year. Okay, 1999 could be a good year, a year of Euro establishment and NATO airstrikes against the Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. Both events brought us a huge variant of new currencies, like a euro, Serbian dinars, Croatian kunas, and many others. But all this happens already after 1999. I have only 4 banknotes from this particular year, issued in 3 different countries. China 5 and 1 yuan. Bulgaria 10 leva. And Denmark 100 kroner. Let's examine them together. 5 and 1 yuan have almost the same characteristics, so we will compare the 5 yuan banknote only. Okay, this is our 3 banknotes of 1999 to compare. As you know, I really like to check the security features of banknotes, and also in this series, I'll focus on this field. Let's start with design. There is a very colorful and beautiful design in each banknote. Purple is the main color of yuan. The mostly green color on lev note and orange on kroner banknote. Image of a portrait on the face of each banknote and interesting pictures on the reverse. Bulgarian lev obverse side carries an engraving of Dr. Peter Baron, national revival scientist. The reverse side shows sketches taken from his treatises in astronomy, and his personal telescope. Danish kroner shows a portrait of the composer Carl Nielsen on the face of the banknote, while the reverse is inspired by a basilisk from Tomreby Church in Vesterhanerd in northern Denmark. Chinese yuan shows a portrait of Mao Zedong on the face, and Mount Tai on the reverse. A mountain of historical and cultural significance on the reverse side. Summarizing about design, I would say that the Danish one is too minimalist. Watermark is present in each banknote. But Chinese yuan also shows a white watermark aside from a regular one. By the way, if you want to learn more about all available security features, please check this video. Microtext exists on each banknote in different variations. In Danish kroner, these dots with help of magnifying glass become letters and words. In Bulgarian lev, we have vertical and horizontal lines with tiny texts. In Chinese yuan, all the text implemented in one area. Also, you can easily see clearly defined background printing on each banknote. But I think there is still too much room without any printing. Like here and here. A couple of years will pass and all the area will be filled with background printing. Just examine US dollar banknote. There is no even half-inch without background printing. Security feature for visually impaired is clearly defined in all banknotes. Move your fingers on these 2 dots in yuan. An embossed rectangle and the circle underneath in lev. And musical notation in kroner to feel. Fluorescent ink is also represented in all banknotes. It's clearly visible in yuan and lev, and really slightly visible in kroner, maybe just because I have a heavy circulated one. It's my favorite security feature. Above were the same features, but some features exist in one of the banknotes and do not exist in another. For example, fiber threads are implemented only on yuan banknote, while the see-through register is implemented only in Bulgarian lev. Like here. EU Rion constellation is well seen in lev and kroner banknotes but completely avoided in yuan one. Also, there are some differences with the security thread. In yuan, only one ribbon runs vertically and is woven into the paper, so that it at some places, emerges on the front side and could be clearly defined at the rear side of the paper. In the kroner there is the same one, but also another ribbon, completely woven and seen only when held to the light. In Bulgarian lev there is embedded thread running vertically and seen only when held to the light. But there is also amazing holographic foil consisting of alternating images of a globe and a telescope. Oh, something the same there is in kroner also. But it's just a small hologram on the left side of the obverse. A very special security feature, latent image implemented only in yuan banknote. Here. Infrared properties could be examined clearly in Bulgarian lev and Chinese yuan banknotes. Danish kroner looks pretty the same as in the common light. Let's display all features in the simple table here. We can see about half of the security features are the same, and another half is different. If I should choose one banknote from these 3 banknotes, my choice is a Bulgarian lev. It has all the necessary security features from that period, and I also like holograms and astronomy. What is your choice from 1999? Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.